Good morning. Today we are going to see WSN application examples. Wireless sensor network refers to a group of spatially dispersed and dedicated sensors for monitoring and recording the physical conditions of the environment and organizing the collected data at a central location. There are numerous applications of WSN. Some applications are Some applications are military or border surveillance applications, environmental applications, air pollution monitoring, forest fire detection, landslide detection, water quality monitoring, natural disaster prevention, healthcare applications, home intelligence, industrial process control, agriculture, structural monitoring. Military or border surveillance applications, WSN are become an integral part of military command, control, communication, and intelligence systems. Sensors can be deployed in a battlefield to monitor the presence of forces and vehicles and track their movements, enabling close surveillance of opposing forces. The chemical, nuclear, and biological attacks can also be detected through the sensor nodes. An example of this is the sniper detection system, which can detect the incoming fire through the acoustic sensors, and the position of the shooter can also be estimated by processing the detected audio from the microphone. Environmental applications. These sensor networks have a huge number of applications in the environment. They can be used to track movement of animals, birds, and record them. Monitoring of earth, soil, atmosphere content, irrigation, and precision agriculture can be done through these sensors. A common example is of ZebraNet. The purpose of the system is to track and monitor the movements and interactions of zebras within themselves and with other species also. There are many applications in monitoring environmental parameters. Some examples of this of which are given below. Air pollution monitoring. Wireless sensor networks have been deployed in several cities to monitor the concentration of dangerous gases for citizens. These can take advantage of the ad hoc wireless links rather than wired installations, which can also make them more mobile for testing readings in different areas. Forest fire detection. A network of sensor nodes can be installed in a forest to detect when a fire has started. The node can be equipped with sensors to measure temperature, humidity, and gases which are produced by fire in the trees or vegetation. The early detection is crucial for a successful action of the firefighters. Landslide detection. Landslide detection system make use of a wireless sensor network to detect the slight movements of soil and changes in various parameters that may occur before or during the landslide. Through the data gathered, it may be possible to know the impending occurrence of landslides long before it actually happens. Water quality monitoring. Water quality monitoring involves analyzing water properties in dams, rivers, lakes, and oceans, as well as underground water reserves. The use of many wireless distributed sensors enables the creation of a more accurate map of the water status and allows the permanent deployment of monitoring stations in locations of different access without the need of manual data retrieval. Natural disaster prevention. Wireless sensor networks can be effective in preventing adverse consequences of natural disasters like floods. Wireless nodes have been deployed successfully in rivers where changes in water levels must be monitored in real time. Healthcare applications. Wireless sensor networks can be used to monitor and track elders and patients for healthcare purposes, which can significantly relieve the severe shortage of healthcare personnel and reduce the healthcare expenditures in the current healthcare systems. For example, sensors can be deployed in a patient's home to monitor the behaviors of the patient, It can alert doctors when a patient falls and requires immediate medical attention. An example of this is artificial retina, which helps the patient in detecting the presence of light and movement of objects. Home intelligence. Wireless sensor networks can be used to provide more convenient and intelligent living environments for human beings. For example, wireless sensors can be used to remotely read utility meters in a home like water, gas, electricity, and then send the readings to a remote center through wireless communication. Industrial process control. In industry, WSNs can be used to monitor manufacturing process or the condition of manufacturing equipment. For example, chemical plants or oil refiners can use sensors to monitor the condition of their miles of pipelines. These sensors are used to alert in case of any failures occurred. Agriculture. Sensors used in smart farming are known as agriculture sensors. These sensors provide data which assist farmers to monitor and optimize crops by adapting to changes in the environmental conditions. These sensors are installed on weather stations, drones, and robots used in the agriculture industry. Structural monitoring. Wireless sensors can be used to monitor the movement within buildings and infrastructure such as bridges, flyovers, embankments, tunnels, etc., enabling engineering practices to monitor assets remotely without the need for costly site visits, as well as having the advantage of daily data. Whereas traditionally this data was collected weekly or monthly using physical site visits involving either road or rail closure in some cases. It is also far more accurate than any visual inspection that to be carried out. Thank you.